What's going on, everyone? Can we talk today? Just can you give me a couple of minutes of your time, and we're going to talk about near protocol. Will it go down to? Is there a greater chance for price to go down to $2, or is there a bigger probability to see near protocol go to $10? I think we got the answer as time goes on, day by day. We can see what direction price has a higher probability of hitting, either $2 or $10. It looked like it's going to be $2, maybe a little bit higher above $2. Let's break this down. Now, before I do, hit that like button, and also subscribe. This is what I do. I come through and create price predictions on a simplistic way so that we all can be prepared for price action without being confused. No need to waste time. No need to create 30, 40-minute videos talking about price could go this direction. It could go that direction. Hey, I just don't know. But hey, look at all these technical indicators that I got on my chart, right? Yeah, you got those people creating that type of content in this space, but I am not that person. All right, so check this out. Let's break down our last price prediction in near, though. We did one back here on the 18th of July, and we was talking about, hey, we could see near go higher. Can you see what exactly happened, though? Why didn't near go higher than $6.50? If you saw my video, you should already know, because we saw this area plaguing the buyers in the market in near this sell zone right here, which is why it's on our chart. We identified, hey, yes, we can see near go higher, but we got this big zone of people trying to sell their near into the market, which can actually hinder how high price can go. And the buyers on July 19th all the way through the 22nd tried to break that zone. And as you can tell, it didn't happen. They wasn't successful. And after that particular high on July 22nd, we haven't seen near go higher at all. The buyers gave up. They left, which is why we left this as a target. Okay, so it was on like 6%, maybe 5%, and that was the only thing that the market was offering at that time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Now we can also take away these buy zones. Okay, the buyers into the market in near only bounced maybe 2 days, the 24th, and then again on the 27th. That was it. They left. The buyers didn't even have a stronghold at $5.50. So we could let that go. Then the buyers stumped the ground a little bit more here at $5.25. And then again, they tried it on the 29th of July. But then again, those sellers were awfully strong. They was mighty. There was a powerful force that the price in near ultimately stopped all the way down to $3 and a nickel. So from the high of July 22nd all the way down to the low of August the 5th, near protocol lost 52.69% of its value. Boom. You telling me that the market was that strong? You telling me that the sellers were that strong that they was able to push price down almost 53%? Dang. Make it make sense. When you have so many people pushing content, persuading people to come out and purchase this cryptocurrency, this altcoin, and it still falls 53%. I guess people wasn't putting money where their mouth was or is. So now let's get rid of this buy zone here. Oh yeah. It's not a coincidence that the market topped out at that area here too, but you know, we're not going to get into that. We're going to get rid of this buy zone here. Create a sell zone here. And we're going to create a buy zone at the low that occurred on the right around here on August the 5th. Now, we may need to create another buy zone in the market in near. Okay, this buy zone may take us all the way. Matter of fact, yep. It takes us all the way over here to February of this year. Look at this. Isn't this crazy? Now, let me go ahead, since we're here, create another buy zone into the market for near. And then we do another one all the way down here around $2.50. We're just getting prepared. I'm not saying that it's going to come that low, but hey, we're getting ready. Okay. So let's put this on the daily chart. That 7-hour time frame, we actually got a pretty good idea of sell zones too, right here. I'm just going through the chart, marking territory as to where I suspect buyers and sellers are. That's all. And here's another seller or sell zone right around here. It might even be right there. Okay, so let's put this back on the daily. And we already saw the bounce today from the lows on August the 6th, 7th, and the 8th. The market in near bounced it today. Here's near on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3. I'm just going to go through this real quick. Here it is on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Weekly. Look at that weekly chart. Fantastic week before August the 19th, only to see the market come right back down on an indication of weakness. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Okay, I really want us to pay attention. I really want us to pay attention to how these two time frames prints, the 2 weeks and the 3 weeks, because that really will tell us if we're going to try to come down and test $3 all the way like down to $2.75 or so. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at near on the monthly chart. So what I'm getting at, yeah, I think you guys see what I'm getting at. I'm looking for the price to continue to dip in near. Okay, first target is going to be at the low that occurred on August the 5th. That's our first target, 16.57%. Second target is going to be around $2.68 or so. That would give what, a move up 28.25. And that is it. I'm done. Okay. So let me know your thoughts. From out the gate, we may see a small bounce because of what occurred back in the beginning of August. You know, the buyers really initiated, became more active. We may try to see that again, but the longer term charts, like I'm telling you now, keep your eyes open on the 2 weeks and the 3 weeks. Let's see how those two time frames prints, and that would definitely give us a lot more information as to whether or not near is going to continue to go lower or will it begin to go up. All right, so that's where I'm at. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.